Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
The Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Banteidor Lyngdoh, had chaired a joint meeting between the North East Organising Committee, Department of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, and the North East Olympics Association that was held on the 10th of August 2022 to finalize the list of sports disciplines for the second North East Olympic Games 2022, scheduled to be held from 30th October to 6th November 2022. All expenditure to the Games have been sanctioned at an amount of Rs 10 crores. The meeting also decided on allowing 30% of players to be selected from other states only if any of the northeastern states do not have enough participants of their own. Addressing the media after the meeting, the president of the North East Olympics Association, T.H. Radhesham, had informed that sportspersons from all the 8 northeastern states will be competing in 18 Olympic sports disciplines across 13 venues. Further, he added that the 18 sports disciplines that include archery, athletics, badminton, basketball, boxing, football, judo, karate, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, cycling, golf, weightlifting and wrestling have been decided based on availability of infrastructure and as per advice of the Meghalaya State Olympics Association.
We are very happy that today we had a joint meeting to organize the second edition of the Northeast Olympic Games. The joint meeting was held. The Sports Department of Government of Meghalaya, represented by the Honorable Minister Sports, Mr. Banteidor Lyngdoh, the Commissioner and other officials. Then from our side, North East Olympic Association, myself, Mr. John, and all the members from 6 states to join from the online, as they could not make it physically offline. We discussed about the second edition, which is going to be held from 30th of October to the 6th of November in Meghalaya and Shillong. First edition was held in Manipur in 2018. 2018, and the events were only there were only 12 events. This time we are going to have 18 events in Meghalaya. The first event is archery, second is athletics, third is badminton, then basketball, boxing, football, judo, karate, shooting, swimming, table tennis, taekwondo, tennis, wushu, cycling, golf, weightlifting, wrestling. These are 18 events which we are going to have in this second edition. We had a threadbare discussion, and almost it has been finalized. The list of contingent will be submitted maybe within 1 week.